How to replace the display enclosure with wireless antenna cables.
Caution! Observe all precautions when removing and replacing components. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless LAN module, hard disk drive, base plate frame, display panel assembly, display panel bezel, webcam microphone, display panel, hinge covers, display panel hinges, and display panel cable. Note: your model may differ slightly from the one shown here, but the procedures are the same. Removal. Once all of the before you begin components are removed, what is left is the display enclosure, also called the back cover, and the wireless antennas. The wireless antennas are not removed from the display enclosure. Replacement. Replace all of the components removed earlier.